welcome to our channel. You are watching Aroma Dish. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do anchovy curry with potatoes, and these are the ingredients. Add oil into our heated pot. Add the sliced onion. Few cloves of garlic sliced in half, and curry leaves. Now for the important part in our curry, we need to add mixed spices which consist of fenugreek seed, cumin seeds, fennel seeds and mustard seeds. We need to saute it all well together. Now we are going to add one big red chilli, one teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of chilli powder. Stir it all together. And now we are going to add our tomatoes. Now we are going to add a 1/4 cup of water. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of fish curry powder. Now we are going to add our potatoes, and these potatoes are half fried. Now we are going to add 1/2 cup of water. Stir it all together. Now we are going to add tamarind pulp. While our curry is boiling on the other side, we are now going to fry our anchovies. The anchovies should be fried on a right amount. The anchovies should not be overly fried. You can refer to this video, and we have to keep our anchovies aside. After our curry have boiled properly, we are going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. Now we are going to add some Asafoetida powder. And add some salt as per taste. And next we are going to add our fried anchovies into our curry. As an important step, the viewers should not let the curry boil for more than 2 minutes. Please let us know after trying our dish in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell button and thank you for watching.